this topic, immunity. What is immunity? Introduction of immunity. Immunity is the resistance developed by the host agent agent and the other harmful for reason. Substance is the phenomenon is the developed by the immune system of the host in the response to the harmful substance. It is the complex mechanism and the involves various types of the mechanisms to resist the harmful substance. Type of the immunity. There are the basically two types of the immunity. Innate immunity, accurate immunity. Innate immunity, it is the accurate by the birth and is the present. It is the accurate by birth and it is the present always in the body. It is the effective of the invasion of the infection agent invasion. Accurate immunity, it is the accurate only when the immune system of the host it the exposed to the infection agent. The immunity is the present until the infection agent in the present. Here the immune system will the developed memory agent the particular infection agent and the hence can the develop the first response if the host occurs the some infection agent. Therefore is the type of the immunity in also called adaptive immunity. Immunity gives the difference between innate and the accurate immunity. Immunity, power of body. Difference between innate and the accurate immunity. Innate immunity and the accurate immunity. Innate immunity, first point, they are the inborn. Accurate immunity, difference, they are the accurate only after exposure to the pathogens. Innate immunity, second difference, they are the evolutionarily older. Accurate immunity, difference, seen only in the higher vertebrates. Third topic, difference innate immunity. Non-specific for the pathogens. Accurate immunity. Fourth difference, highly specific for the pathogens to which it is the accurate. Fourth difference, innate immunity. Deployed rapidly and immediately. Fourth difference, accurate immunity takes at the last 3 to 5 days to the develop. Fifth difference, innate immunity. Non-adaptive example, do not have memory for a particular pathogen. Fifth difference, accurate immunity. Highly adaptive and the immunity increases with every subsequent exposure. Highly adaptive and the immunity increases with every subsequent exposure. Immunity, two types, innate immunity, accurate immunity. Immunity is the most important power of the body. Immunity, what is immunity? Gives the difference between innate and the accurate immunity. Different innate immunity, acquired immunity. Immunity is the resistance developed by the host agent. Thank you.